Welcome to SmartUp's modern, bottled water factory in Kumasi, Ghana. This high-efficiency water filling line, supplied by King Machine, is designed to deliver stable and reliable production at 18,000 bottles per hour. At the front end, the advanced blowing filling, capping machine forms, fills and seals bottles in one seamless process, ensuring high hygiene standards and maximum efficiency. This integrated water combi line reduces energy consumption while improving overall performance. As bottles move forward, the intelligent inspection system guarantees product quality, followed by precise labeling and packaging. To meet local market requirements in Ghana, the line is equipped with a tax stamp labeling system, ensuring every bottle complies with regulations before entering the market. From up-labeling to automated palletizing, the entire water filling machine system operates smoothly and efficiently. With fast installation, stable operation, and consistent output, King Machine continues to provide reliable water filling line solutions for customers worldwide.